Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Anki on mobile. Anki is a fantastic flashcard application that leverages spaced repetition to help you memorize information effectively. The mobile versions, Anki Mobile for iOS and Anki Droid for Android, bring this powerful tool right to your fingertips. This means you can review your flashcards and learn new material whenever and wherever you have a few moments, making your study time incredibly flexible and productive. To begin, download the appropriate app, Anki Mobile for Apple devices or Anki Droid for Android. Next, create a free Anki web account. This account is crucial for synchronizing your flashcard collection across all your devices, including your desktop computer. Once logged in, you can easily download your existing decks or upload new ones, ensuring your study progress is always up to date and accessible from any device. Studying on Anki Mobile is straightforward. Simply open a deck and begin reviewing your cards. After revealing the answer, you will rate your recall using the Again, Hard, Good, or Easy buttons. This feedback tells Anki when to show you the card next, optimizing your learning. You can also adjust settings like the number of new cards per day or your daily review limit to suit your study pace. For more advanced usage, consider exploring the many add-ons available for the desktop version, which can then sync to mobile. You can also create custom study sessions to focus on particular tags or difficult cards, tailoring your review. Remember to regularly back up your Anki collection, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to safeguard your valuable study progress against any unforeseen issues. This ensures your hard work is always protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.